Hello, very good morning to all of you. Again, I am in front of you on the discussion of chapter Life Process, class 10th. Today, we are here to discuss about the function of heart and transportation in plants, as well as I am hoping that all of you are memorizing that when I was on the heading of autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition, at that time also under the section of autotrophic nutrition we discussed about the transportation in the plant, because the transportation in plant or the food production in plant comes under autotrophic nutrition, and in heterotrophic nutrition we have to study about the life process or the food process, consumption process of animals. Actually, in biological terms, myself, yourself, like all the animals and human being comes under the section of animals, because we are supposed to divide the living organism into two segments. First one is plant and second one is animal. So we will discuss it later, slightly like a very light discussion on that. Today we are here to get discussion over the heart. So देखो, कल भी मैंने बताया था, yesterday also I spoke to you that the heart plays very important role for the human body. Actually, in another term, we can also say that not only heart, whatever the system like heart system, circulation system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, all plays very important role. All of them are playing very important role for the survival of any human or animal. But for the circulation of blood, heart play a very fine role, or we can say that the circulation of blood with the help of heart is a very fine mechanism. एक ऐसी प्रकार की व्यवस्था है जिसके अधीन हम शरीर के अंदर रक्त के प्रवाह को सुनिश्चित करते हैं. Because we know that we need pure blood. Pure blood means oxygen rich blood, because oxygen is responsible for giving us the energy. Oxygen is responsible for the giving us energy. So it is very important that for each and every moment the oxygen rich blood will reach to the complete part of the body, by which we can obtain or we can get energy. And after getting energy, definitely our body will release carbon dioxide inside our body. So when the blood will carry carbon dioxide, then this mechanism is also very compulsory that they will again come to the heart for the purification. So actually you have to keep it in your mind that heart is only playing the role of pumping. जो दिल होता है ना, वो सिर्फ पंप करने का काम करता है, एंड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द पंपिंग फंक्शन इट विल रिलीज ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड टू द कंप्लीट पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी. एंड आप देखते होंगे कि कोई चीज़ें जब हम ये कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब क्या है, कभी फैलता है कभी सिकुड़ता है. तो जब फैला तो प्रवाह पूरे शरीर में हुआ, और जब वो चीज़ें सिकुड़ती हैं, व्हेन वी विल जस्ट होल्डिंग आवर हैंड ऑल द फिंगर्स, जब वो सिकुड़ता है तो वो चीज़ें वापस वो अपने पास लाता है. लेकिन बट you have to understand the concept that heart is only able for the, or heart is only responsible for the transportation of blood, either moving throughout the body oxygen rich blood, either collecting all the blood to the segment of heart carbon dioxide rich blood. बट इट इज़ नॉट एबल टू प्यूरिफाई. इट इज़ नॉट एबल टू प्यूरिफाई. वो आपका रक्त का शुद्धिकरण नहीं करता है. दैट्स वाई इन माई लास्ट क्लास आई टोल्ड इट टू यू दैट वॉट the function of heart is after collecting the carbon dioxide rich blood, it will send by heart to the lungs, where alveoli is responsible for absorbing the carbon dioxide and giving the oxygen rich blood. वो आपका लंग्स होता है जो कि इस चीज के प्रति उत्तरदायी होता है, विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट टू exchange the gas, for the exchange of the gas. It means giving us oxygen and absorption of carbon dioxide. So in another word we can say that heart is only able to purify the blood with the help of lungs, because they will get oxygen by the lungs and the carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the from the blood with the help of the lungs. So with the combination of lungs, function of lungs and function of heart, the complete blood circulation will take place. So always you have to keep it in your mind. Now after seeing the diagram that how the blood will rotate to our body, how the carbon dioxide rich blood will again come to our heart, and from there it will move toward the lungs and it will be purified, or it will able to exchange the gas and all. We will classify the complete blood circulation system into two parts: arteries and veins. One segment is responsible for carrying the oxygen rich blood, and the another segment is responsible for the carrying of the carbon dioxide rich blood, because we are not supposed to combine or to merge two different properties of the blood, two different kind of the properties of the blood. So we need to know about the arteries and veins. That so first one is responsible for the carrying oxygen related blood, and the second one is responsible for the carbon dioxide related blood. So always you have to rememberize, and definitely for the CBSE examination point of view, you have to make practice to draw the picture of heart, because might be possible that after like speaking all the theoretical things whatever I am speaking in the front of you, you have to draw the picture, because in the biology segment always actually whenever I am taking class I am classifying some things again and again. Like in physics you have to know like F is equal to ma, formula plays important role. In chemistry, the reaction is having very important role. Like if any question contains 3 marks, it means approximate of 2 marks, like in the battery cell and all, 2 marks will for the reactions. It means what? If you will write the reaction only, you will get the 60% of the marks, and for the explanation, you will get the remaining 40% of the marks. So as well as in biology, if any concept or if you will find any scope to draw the picture, then definitely you have to make practice. So in the life process chapter, it's my personal request to you that you have to practice again and again for the following diagrams. First one, digestive system. Second one, respiratory system. Third one, heart function. Fourth one, excretion. Excretion system is nothing but the urination process, in which we have to study about the urination process. So you have to make perfect, you have to make practice for the all above diagrams, because with the help of that definitely they will ask any one of these, or either photosynthesis. Actually for my today's session or today's live class, I am giving you a question or assignment that write a complete, actually in 2 segments, the complete reaction of photosynthesis comes under 2 segments. So again listen to me, write a complete reaction of photosynthesis. Whatever is in your book, it is in 1 line, but all of you have to know better that the actual reaction will written as like A and B and afterward the reaction. So you have to write the reaction of photosynthesis in this segment, and that will be known as the complete reaction of photosynthesis. Complete reaction of photosynthesis. And during the examination, whatever is present in your notebook or in the NCERT book, it shows that you are simply turning the page and you are having only the knowledge of the book only, but you have to find it on Google and you have to memorize and you have to write and just WhatsApp me on my given number. Then only I will understand that you are searching and working for the most accuracy, So it's my request to you that find out the complete reaction of photosynthesis. So in the heart system, all of you knows that how the oxygen related blood will move toward the body, how the carbon dioxide related blood collected by the heart and move toward the lungs and get exchange of the gas CO2 and O2. In the heart segment, two terms are very important, and it is also helpful for you to write like after drawing the pictures and all. Whenever you will draw the picture, if you have to write 5 or 6 or 10 lines, then definitely like after the description of the carbon dioxide rich blood and oxygen rich blood, you have to mention 1 or 2 technical terms. So tubes are nothing but a system or a part which carries the blood. In heart, tubes are responsible for carrying the blood. And platelets, the second important term is platelets. भाई प्लेटलेट्स के बारे में तो आप लोग सभी जानते होंगे, क्यों? जो अभी लास्ट ईयर तक त्रासदी थी बिफोर कमिंग कोरोना, we always you heard in your society nearby and might be some faced the problem in the family also, डेंगू. एक डेंगू की बीमारी होती है, काफ़ी हम लोग कॉमन होते हैं, हम लोग सभी जानते हैं. उसमें किस चीज़ का काउंट होता है? प्लेटलेट्स का काउंट होता है. आखिर वो प्लेटलेट्स है क्या? व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स? सो एक्चुअली प्लेटलेट्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. अब जैसे हम लोग गलती से इफ़ वी आर डूइंग सम वर्क एंड ऑल और किसी ब्लेड से हाथ कट जाता है, यू विल सी दैट ब्लड इज़ कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द कट पार्ट. जहाँ कटा वहाँ से खून निकलने लगता है. लेकिन तुम बच्चे लोग हम लोग क्या करते हैं? वी आर नॉट सेलिब्रिटी. हम लोग सेलिब्रिटी नहीं है कि वी विल गो नियर द सर्जन एंड द सर्जन विल टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. हम लोग ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करते हैं. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? जहाँ कटा वहाँ दाब देते हैं. जहाँ कटता है वहाँ पे हम लोग पकड़ लेते हैं. एंड आफ्टर फ्यू मोमेंट्स, नॉट आई एम टेकिंग मिनट्स एंड आवर्स, आफ्टर फ्यू मोमेंट्स ओनली व्हाट विल हैपन, हम जब छोड़ते हैं तो देखते हैं कि वो जम गया. जहाँ से खून निकल रहा था, फ्रॉम वेयर द ब्लड इज कमिंग आउट, वो चीज़ें जो है वहाँ देखते हैं कि वो सूख गया है. हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल? कैसे होता है? ड्यू टू प्लेटलेट्स. प्लेटलेट्स ही वो चीज़ होता है जो थक्का बनाने में सहायक होता है. और प्लेटलेट्स के कारण ही अगर आपके शरीर से कहीं भी खून का रिसाव होता है, इफ़ फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी ड्यू टू एनी एक्सीडेंट और like cut mark, if blood is coming out, due to the presence of platelets, the clotting will take place. वो clotting is a term जिसको हम लोग थक्का जमने को, ब्लड के सूखने को, जमने को हम लोग clotting term यूज करते हैं बायोलॉजी में. So clotting take place और due to that blood stops. खून का प्रवाह जो होता है, the flow of the blood stops suddenly. So in the circulation of blood, always we have to rememberize that the most important thing is platelets which found in the blood. And और यही कारण है कि whenever you will go to Rotary Club or Lions Club somewhere else, you will see, हमेशा हम लोग सुनते हैं, always we will listen that ब्लड इज इन लिक्विड फॉर्म, ब्लड इज इन लिक्विड फॉर्म। लेकिन आप जब कभी ब्लड रक्त का दान करते हैं, जिसे महादान कहा जाता है, देन यू विल फील दैट इट इज नॉट, इट विल नॉट कम्स अंडर प्योर लिक्विड। वो आपको कुछ गाढ़ा टाइप का दिखेगा। इट फील्स लाइक सम स्टिकी एंड लिटिल बिट वेटफुल, मतलब दूसरे टाइप का, एक गाढ़ा टाइप का द्रव आपको दिखता है। एंड दिस हैपेंस ओनली ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स, एंड ड्यूरिंग द डेंगू एंड ऑल दिस थिंग हैपेंस दैट द प्लेटलेट्स falls suddenly, and due to that जो रक्त का जो एक भारीपन होता है वो कम होने लगता है, and the potential of the blood will decreases, and it causes for the lack of energy to our body, and due to that human being feel very kind of problem during the dengue. So again I am repeating, platelets means it plays very important role for the clotting of the blood. And afterward, here again one term is transportation in plant. Transportation in plant. So in the last time also I was telling it in front of you that there are two segments. First one, in the plants what is happening, that the roots are responsible for the absorption of water from the earth and minerals from the earth, and it will send it to the complete part of body. It means from root it will send it to the portion of the leaves, and in the portion of leaf, with the help of stomata and with the help of photosynthesis process, what is happening, the photosynthesis takes place, and the plant is capable or able to make food. And in the another segment, after the making of the food, what will happen, the prepared food will be delivered by the plant to the remaining part of the body of the plant. So पौधे में जड़ के माध्यम से जल तथा खनिज लवण का अवशोषण होता है, शोषण होता है, और उसे शरीर के पौधे के शरीर के पत्तियों तक, संपूर्ण भाग अर्थात अंततः पत्तियों तक पहुंचाया जाता है, जहां उनकी मदद से सूर्य प्रकाश की उपस्थिति में पौधे भोजन बनाने की प्रक्रिया का पालन करते हैं। एंड द प्रोसेस अंडर विच द प्लांट इज कैपेबल टू मेक फूड इज नोन एज फोटोसिंथेसिस। एंड आफ्टर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फूड, the function of stomata which is responsible for the gaseous exchange and which is responsible for the opening of pores of the leaf, वो भोजन वापस पौधे के संपूर्ण भाग में भेजा जाता है, और जिसके कारण कि पौधे का संपूर्ण विकास होता है। So from the day 1 to today's session, we discussed all the things relevant to respiratory system, digestive system, heart function, ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन के अंदर जो है हमने ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ अंडर प्लांट भी, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन प्लांट भी पढ़ा। इन द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू यू दैट प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ, एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट काइंडली व्हाट्सअप मी on 333 number or on a school number. I will sort it out and I will give it to you. हम लोग कल जो है मतलब नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द एक्सक्रिएशन सिस्टम, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड द लाइफ प्रोसेस विल कंप्लीट. थैंक यू, हैव अ ग्रेट डे.